You and I know cassava's easy to cook, but this way it's super delicious. Grab a kilo of cassava now, cut it into pieces and peel it. Don't skip this step, my friend. Then cut it smaller and remove the center root from each piece. No one wants that tough bit, right? Do the same with the rest of the cassava. Tell me, what country or city are you watching from? I'd love to give you a shout out in the next recipe, so drop that info in the comments. Once the cassava's ready, put it in a large pot. Add a teaspoon of salt, don't forget, it's key for flavor, and cover with water. Let it cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. On a cutting board, grate 150 grams of mozzarella or any cheese you like that melts well. Now choose between cilantro or parsley. Finally, chop some leaves. The yucca's ready, so take it off the heat and drain excess water. In a large bowl, use a grater to shred the cooked yucca on the coarsest side. This will give it the perfect texture. Do this with all the yucca. See how this beauty's taking shape? Now for the magic part. In the same bowl, add grated cheese, chopped parsley, an egg, salt, pepper, and paprika. Mix everything well until it's thoroughly combined. Smells amazing already, doesn't it? Now add 4 TBSP cornstarch and 100 g melted butter to the mix. This is where it gets interesting. Mix well until you have a smooth, uniform dough. Once ready, set it aside for a moment. Sprinkle some flour on a clean cutting board or table. Place some mixture and roll it out to half a centimeter thick. Do this with all the mixture. Easy, right? Now use a round cutter to shape the dough into rings. No cutter, use what you have on hand. Creativity is key. Then use a smaller cutter for the center hole. For perfect yuca rings. Fry the rings in hot oil for 5-6 minutes until golden on both sides. That sizzle is music to my ears. When done, drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. I'm curious, what sauce would you pair these with? Share your sauce ideas in the comments for this epic recipe. Finally, it's time to enjoy these amazing yuca rings.